What's up, everybody? I'm doing a video, a DIY for a 2024 Corolla Cross Hybrid. Now you can change your own cabin air filter. I just wanted to have something for male and female who want to cut costs on labor, cut costs on a filter. You can actually go to Walmart, Advanced AutoZone, or any parts store to get the filter. Just make sure you have the right part number. So let's go ahead and get started. I did clean out my glove compartment beforehand, so it's empty. So first step is, what you're going to do is go to the side. You're going to pull this right here. So you're going to pull it, all right? So you're going to pull it from right here. And then you're going to pull this inward so it can come out. And then pull this side. I'm using one hand, so bear with me. Okay. So there you go. Now, let's see if I can turn on the light. Can you see that? But let me see if I can add. There we go. So right here, see where it says up? This is where the cabin air filter is. So let's see. You're going to pinch that and bring it out. Mine comes straight out, but okay. So give me one moment. It's gonna look like this. You're gonna take it out. Bear with me. I know this is not the best video, but I have my stand, but it won't work. Look at that. It's time for me to change it. I'm not sponsored by this brand, but I bought this brand for the 2024 Corolla Cross, and it has Toyota right there. So this is the one that you need. They have other brands as well. Let's see, because if you go to a dealership, you're gonna pay labor costs. This was $12.97. All right, so let me show you how to put this in. Just give me a second. Just bear with me, okay? Okay, so I already switched it out. So this is the clean filter. The other one was very dirty. So what you want to do is make sure you have it in there. It's going to look like that. When you put it back, make sure this says up, okay? So we're going to put it back in there. All right, so up, there you go. And bear with me again, I only have one hand. I have this on my little stand. Okay, so you want to start with the left side first. And there you go, it went in. There you go. All right, so what you're going to do is go ahead and, you see this right here? Hold on. You see this right here? I don't know, it won't. Okay. So you're going to put this right here. Give me 1 second. Okay, so I went ahead and put this on here. So you're going to go ahead and bear with me because I only have one hand. See how that goes in? That helps you. And then it's on that side. You remember this little piece right here? You got to make sure you put this, snap that back. See? There you go. And there you have it. You just cut cost of maybe $20 to $40 on the labor costs, because that's just how it is. But thank you guys for watching. Again, this is for the 2024 Corolla Cross Hybrid cabin air filter. I hope this helps everyone. Thank you. Share the video.